Did you know that all plumbers are not created equal? Our plumbers are outfitted with the best tools in the industry and use state-of-the-art technology in things like our sewer line cameras to make sure that we're diagnosing your problems as fast as possible and with as much information to provide an accurate estimate to solve your problems. Not only that, but they're clean and professional, and we have systems in place so that you know what your plumber looks like before they show up at your doorstep, whether it's at your house or your place of business. They also provide all upfront pricing, so no longer do you have to sit there and think that, oh my gosh, how long is this going to last, and it may be this much per hour. Our guys come out there, they evaluate what's going on, they give you a price up front, and no matter how long it takes, it is that price.